All right, some really big news coming out of Fremont. Tesla is now offering a mid-range battery. Where did this come from? This is wild and crazy. So if you recall previously with the Model 3, you had a long-range battery with all-wheel drive and a long-range battery with rear-wheel drive. This is huge news because this allows you to get into a Model 3 for $45,000. Previously, the minimum that you had to spend in order to get a Model 3 today, or before today, I guess, was $50,000 or $53,000. The mid-range battery is going to give those owners 260 miles of range, which is down from the long-range battery of 310 miles, both with the rear-wheel drive and the all-wheel drive. And according to the statement that Tesla sent Electric, Tesla says, as Model 3 production and sales continue to grow rapidly, we've achieved a steady volume in manufacturing capacity, allowing us to diversify our product offering to even more customers. Our new mid-range battery is being introduced this week in the US to better meet the varying range needs of the many customers eager to own a Model 3. And our delivery estimate for customers who have ordered a standard battery is 4 to 6 months. So it doesn't sound like anything is changing in terms of the standard range battery that's probably coming still with a 4 to 6 month time frame. Yes, this is Tesla time and Elon time, so it could be sooner than 4 months or later than 6 months. Hopefully it's sooner than 4 months. Hopefully it's beginning of the year. In the same article from Electric, which I'll put down in the video description, Electric also had a chance to ask them if this was a software downgraded long-range battery. And Tesla said, no, it has the same architecture but with fewer cells. So the next question that comes to my mind is, if it's not a 75 kilowatt hour pack and there's less cells, what is it? Is it a 70? Is it a 60? A 65? Now let's do some back of the napkin math here. If we take 75 kilowatt hours and divide that by 310 miles, we get 0.24 kilowatt hours per mile. So let's take that same number and multiply it by 260 miles and we get 62.9 kilowatt hours. Let's just round it up to 63 kilowatt hours for potentially for this mid-range battery. So let's maybe 65 kilowatt, somewhere between 60 and 65 kilowatt hours is my guess based on how many miles a long range gets with the 75 kilowatt hour pack. Well, regardless of what the battery size is, it's extremely exciting for Tesla because this means that more people can get into a Model 3 for less than what they have been paying with the long range battery. Also in the comments down below, I'd love to hear if this is enough for you to pull the trigger on a Model 3 now that it's about $5,000 less expensive. Thanks so much for watching, and if this video was valuable or interesting, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. See you on the next video.